Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a quick update here. So what I got here is I'm just playing my phone here, and I wired up this jack, and it's going into a little audio amplifier here, and I just looked the circuit up and it just amplifies the audio a little bit. And so one of the things that I want to do is I know I eventually want to put it into the Arduino. So the ADCs on the Arduino only read positive voltage. So that's a problem if we have an AC signal, because if you look here, you notice that anything that's going to go below the 0 volts on the AC signal is going to get cut off, and so we'll only actually be getting half the signal going into the Arduino. And so one of the things that we want to do is, on top of amplifying it, is we want to get a DC bias in there, so that way we can get the whole signal, and we want it to be between 0 and 5 volts. I don't believe the Arduino will go above 5 volts either. So what we do here is I got a little circuit that I looked up, and it's just a simple voltage divider, and then we have a capacitor here to keep the supply from to keep the DC supply voltage from getting into the audio signal. And so if we just hook that up here, and we look at our output, we're still between 0 and 5 volts. And so what I'm going to do is I got a little screwdriver here, and I'm just going to crank on this potentiometer and crank it up. And right now we're at 2 volts per division. So if we line it up right with this first one, this will be right at about 2 volts, which is about where we want to go. So let's see. I'm just going to crank here, and you see it's slowly going up. Just keep on cranking until it gets to about where we... Alright. Oops, a little too far. Now that'll probably be about right. So there you go. We'll be able to, and then if I turn my volume up here, you notice we get clipping. And honestly, I don't know where that clipping's come from. It might be the audio amplifier. But so this way we ensure that we're not going to go above or below 0 volts. I mean, this, or go above 5 volts or below 0 volts. So so yep, there we go. That's our signal before we send it off to. And so I can't work on the firmware right now. My computer died on me, but I do have like an old version of my FFT running here. And so if we let me just plug it into the ADC that I know that the firmware is running on, and I'll just grab an LED here and hook it up on between ground and pin 13, which has a resistor on it, so it's safe to put an LED on it. But if you notice there, it's going with their music. And I think I have this right now. I just have it going with like the bottom, like 100 hertz and below. So this is basically kind of like the kick drum and the bassier areas for the song that's playing. But yep, that's what I got going. Hope this helps you.